Next question is tossing a coin for a random number of times. Tossing coin for random number of times. So here are two things we are doing here. We have a dice which we are rolling, and after I roll a die, I note down the number. So the number can be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Suppose I get a number 3, then I will toss a coin 3 times. So tossing the coin as many times as the number on the dice. Then we are counting the heads, number of heads. And the question is, what is the probability that I will get no heads? So probability. So the question is probability no head and 1 in die roll plus probability of no head and 2 in die roll. So we can again create a graph or diagram here with 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is a number that you get on the die roll, and this is the probability of getting no head. So what is the probability of getting no head and 1 in the die roll? That is probability of no head and 1 in die roll. Now probability of getting each of them is 1 by 6, and probability of getting no head and 1 in die roll means you're just getting probability of half. And what is the probability of getting no head in a die roll is 1 by 6. So that is going to be 1 by 2. What if you get a number 2? Then again you will do probability of getting no head and 2 in a die roll means you are rolling a die twice and you are getting no head. So that is half and half, but then you multiply them by the probability of getting a 2, that is 1 by 6. So that is 1 by 24. So the same way you are doing for everything. So this is the probability of getting a 1, this is 2, then you will do a 3 and a 4 and a 5 and a 6, and you will finally add them up, and ultimately you will get a 62 over 384. That is the probability of tossing a coin for a random number of times, tossing a die for a random number of times, and then tossing a coin for the same number. What is the probability that I will get no head? And this is how you can also solve other questions, like what is the probability of getting 2 heads or 3 heads, depending on what you want to put in there.